Hello, dear traders. This is Alex Gerchik. Today is our usual Monday, and today we're going to talk about the Forex levels, prices, and everything else. As I want to mention one more time, on March 28th, you can basically participate in our company competition, and on a demo account, you can become a real trader. So, go on our website, read it, and participate with us. Now we're going to go level by level. Actually, this week was not too crazy about anything what's going on in the market. I mean, if you take a look, all the levels are still the same. We're going to start with euro. All the levels that you see, they are basically the same levels, and just the euro basically touched the low level, 105.225. The another one 105.881, and another one 108.69. So basically, what you can see, the levels are 1, 2, and 3, and I'm expecting the euro basically to bounce between the levels. Once we're going to be able to get out from 105.255 or from 106.869, then we're going to have all the chances to get out from the big range. But for now, as you can see, the consolidation stays above the range, and the bigger the range is, probably the smaller and slower we're going to get out from it. Another one is the British pound. British pound is in a very tight range, as you can see, 125.55 to 124.11. I mean, it's a pretty decent range. It's almost 140 points, but as you can see, the price is bouncing back and forth, and we don't know exactly what's going to be. As you can see, upside of the level, downside of the level, and our job is to see where we're going to get out. I mean, lately there's a lot of news going on about the Germany, about Brexit, about Europe and everything else, about the Greece start to have problems again. So basically, as far as I understand, the traders cannot figure it out which way the market is going. As you can see, we had a false breakdown, false breakout, but the market stayed the same, the price stayed the same, and it's obviously nothing to do for us there yet. Japanese yen, the level basically worked out very well. We had a level of 112.60, went to 114.60. Take a look, upside of the level, everything was fine. Now we basically testing again 11260. That if the price is going to basically hold up, we have all the chances to go to 114.5. If the prices is going to hold down, then we're going to probably break 112 and go lower to 110 level. Actually, the levels are working pretty easy. So take a look every single level and see how the price behave against those levels. Canadian dollar, it was very important level of 132.76 and 131.05. As you can take a look from upside to the downside, the price is bouncing back and forth. Very important thing for the next few days, it's going to be what's going to be with the Canadian dollar. If it's going to hold on between let's say just below 131, it has all the chances to go lower. And if it's going to close above 131.05, it has all the chances to go to the next level of 132.76. New Zealand dollar, take a look. We basically put this level as the New Zealand dollar. It was very good level, false breakout. Also, we're bouncing back and forth between the levels, 0.7235, 0.7145. That's the price we're bouncing. And a very important thing, how we're going to behave at that level. So everything is fine. Low side of the level, 0.71, 45, 0.72, 46. I know the level is not like a very big, and it's not like a very deep, but all the chances for it to go here from upside to the downside. Australian dollar, take a look. On Australian dollar, we said if the level of 76 is going to be broken, most likely it's going to be false breakout. And what we had, take a look, we basically went up and then went down. So for now, very important thing is to see how we're going to bounce. But it looks like we're bouncing from upside to the downside. And very important thing, if we're going to be able to hold down at the up corner right here, we have all the chances to break and to go higher. US oil. Oil basically, as you can see, in a very long consolidation, it stays for a very long time. It's a very long consolidation for the oil price. The oil looks like it goes to the up corner. If the oil is going to get right here to 54,181, and it's going to break. Most likely, because as you can see all the time, the oil testing high and it cannot break out. So if in this case oil is going to break out, it has all the chances to go much higher. I don't see for now the oil bouncing back here to $52 a share. I mean $52 a share level. It most likely it's going to break to the upside. And the last one is gold. As you remember our recommendation, I just want to show it to you right here. It says, I know it's in Russian, but you can translate, take a look. It says if the gold is going to break 12.19, we're only trading higher, up. So February 6th, take a look. The gold hold down to 12.19 right here. You see, it touched 12.19 and it went all the way up to 12.43. It's went up almost 35%. My friends, what I wanted to tell you, I know today it's been very, hold on one second, our very short webinar, but our job is just to bring you very important levels and for you to understand how this level works. Most of the time when we have people writing us an email, they're asking us not only about the levels, but how to trade these particular levels. Your job is very simple. You have to identify the levels, see how this level works, and only trade them according to your trading style. If you trade false breakout, then basically you wait for the breakout and then basically you trade the falls. If you trade breakouts, you only trade breakouts. But our job is very simple. It's to provide you with the levels and your job is to trade. Thank you very much. It's been Alex Gerchik. As I said, I don't like very long hours of presentation. Thank you very much, guys. Make money with us. Come on our page, become our client, and all the best. Thank you.